Peter and Ashley over there. We're gonna do the Franklin Ghost Town Trail. Now, supposedly on this trail, there's supposed to be like an old ghost town and a cemetery. Now, I know some people have a hard time finding it, so we're gonna go check it out and see if we can find it. So hopefully we can get lucky today. Parks property. And you can see little other trails that veer off to the side. Up ahead. And then the sign pointing to the cemetery that way. Yes, it's going to be easy to find. Let's see what it says. Okay. And then, what does this one say? There's another trail. I don't know where that one goes to though. The train piece.
Blue October.
Okay, so we're going to continue on. Now we're going to go find the cemetery. There, I'm hoping I can get lots of good pictures. It's a beautiful day though. It's in the 70s today.
Sure.
Now next weekend, us three, Ashley and Peter, we're going to be doing the mailbox, what is it called? The mailbox peak, mailbox loop trail.
3 trails in one, but
yeah, 3 trails in one. It's going to be 9 miles altogether. So it's not going to be too bad. I looked at the weather ahead for next weekend and it's supposed to be in the 70s. So it's going to be a beautiful day. A little bit of incline up here, but we shouldn't have too much further anymore. We should almost be there. There's a beautiful shot of Mount Rainier. You guys can see at the distance. Such a clear day. Wonder what this is. Something's up ahead. We'll go check it out. There's Mount Rainier again. Huh. What is this? Oh, this is the Franklin mine. Oh, here's the mine, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but it goes really down there. Wish you guys can see, but it goes really, really down. Too bad we couldn't go in there
like 40
and explore. Yeah, it's really down there. But yeah, this is the Franklin mine. Huh. It's a view of the area where we're at so far. So at first I was afraid to stand on there because I thought we were going to fall and fall right through it, especially if it's 250 feet down. So if we fell, we wouldn't have made it. But I mean, that's steel, so it wasn't going to go anywhere. We were pretty safe. All right, on to our destination. Ooh. Onward we go. There's a trail up there. Oh, look at that, guys. Another view of Mount Rainier at the distance. What a shot. Another structure. I don't know exactly what this is. Used to be something. There's a waterfall right there. It's a tiny one, but it's a waterfall. So we're coming across another building. Don't know exactly what it is, but because I don't know much of the history on this Franklin ghost town. See, as you guys can see, there it is. Not much to them anymore. to actually tell what it is. Still on the trail. I am definitely recording the way we're going on the All Trails map. So we are definitely almost there. This hike is not a bad hike. It's only 2 miles. 1 mile in and 1 mile back. Right there. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow, that is really neat. Here's the bridge. This is a better view of it. Here's the cemetery. Let's go check it out. Here is one. Who is this? Martin Johnson, born 1872. And he died in 1902. There's something over here. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's go check out some of these other ones. Oh, somebody left a rubber ducky. So, this is J.M. Peterson. He died in 1906, and he was only 30 years old. Gone, but not forgotten. That's young. This. It's hard to read. So if you guys want to read, you guys can go ahead and read it. Here are some more gravestones over here. Okay, so this is Alice Gertrude Johnson. She was born in 1902 and died in 1902. Oh, so she was just a baby when she died. Oh, probably a couple months old. Oh no, she was only a day old. Because January 1st, she was born, and January 2nd, she died. Oh, that's sad. Frances Marie Myers, May 13th, 1901 to May 24th, 1901. So she, 2 months old, she died. Wow.
March to May.
That's sad. So these were the babies. So this is an enclosed little fence area. Look, that's like a dog or something. Oh, that's kind of sad. See, here's another shot of the cemetery from this angle. Let's go this way. Okay, here's another gravestone. Let's see, what does this one say? This one's really hard to read. 1906 to 1906. So this one was a baby too. So as you're exploring this area, it's definitely a piece of history from back in those days. And as you're exploring it, you can kind of feel the sadness, I guess you could say. And you can feel the history of it. Even though if there's not much of it, you can definitely feel it. Let's go continue to look at the other gravestones. What does this one say? Oh, there's a cross on the top. Let's see. What does this one say? It's hard to read. I don't know. I can't really read it. 1894 to, I don't know. It's hard for me to read it. Looks like it's in a different language. Yeah. This one you can't even read at all. I don't even know who's buried here. Must have been a baby because of the rubber duckies. Standridge, 1892 to 1893. So this one was only a year old. Wow. What does that say?
Looks like it says
27 years old.
27 maybe? 28?
Yeah. So he died on August 24th, 1894. And he was only 27 years old. Romulus Monroe Gibson. 1895. He was only 35 years old. Behold, I shew you a mystery. We shall not all sleep, but we shall all be changed. Okay, so what we're going to do is, now that we got done looking at the cemetery, we are going to go check out a waterfall that they have in this area as well. So this must have been the water line. It's all the way down to the ground. So that is the end of this trail for the Franklin Ghost Town. Now let's go see if we can find the waterfall. Okay, so we're going to go down this way. We're going to see if this is the right trail that's going to lead to the waterfall. And it's, what'd you say, 0. What?
3.
0.3. Not even a mile. So we are hoping we are on the right trail. But I do hear a waterfall at the distance. So I'm really hoping this is the right trail. It sounds like it's coming from that direction. But we're going to go find out. It's just one of those days where you can just explore the area. We're not in a rush. Just enjoy this day. Whew. It's a beautiful day though. Here's a quick view of the area where we're at right now. We're going to continue to walk that way. There's not much that way. Here's a shot of the river. Wonder if somebody was trying to build a log home out of this. Just because of the way it's cut. Normally that's how they cut it when they try to build log homes out of these logs. That looks like a little cave, but it's not. But this is not the section for the waterfall that we were looking for, so we're gonna keep on looking. Okay, so this trail wasn't it. We definitely got a good view of the river. Now we gotta go back up. Oh my God. Look at that hill we gotta do. This is easy compared to the hike we're gonna do next weekend. So now we're gonna go try to find the waterfall. We just don't know where it's located, but we know it's somewhere near where we parked. Try one of the other trails that kind of led off to the side. There's the waterfall. Whoop, whoop. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Wow. Beautiful. There's the bridge that we were talking about. This is a beautiful shot of the waterfall from this angle. Okay, so we found the waterfalls right behind us, guys. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get over to this bridge right here, those stairs that you guys see. And I see people down there where you are actually able to get behind the waterfall. So we're gonna try to find a way to make it down there. So I don't know if we have to go that way or if we're gonna have to go back that way to get over there.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow.
Did you get that?
Yep. I think he's gonna jump again. There he goes, I think. Woo!
Got it that time.
So the area we're at right now, it's called the Walking Pond. It's just a little area that has these different little ponds like this. So it's just kind of like a little scenic route type of area. We're still right now on our way to go see the waterfalls, but this was a cool little pit stop. This water, guys. Look at how blue it is. Wow, makes you just want to go swimming in this. And then you got a tiny little bridge. And then you got your waterfall right here. And then there's more of the pond that goes that way. There's a gazebo.
I don't know, Trevor.
Oh, look. Let's walk up the gazebo. See what's up this way. Wow, look at that. And sit up here and just enjoy the peace and quiet.
Yeah, there's like a little wooden bridge that goes to that waterfall.
Yeah. Okay. We got to go over to that green building over there because we have to pay $5 to get in to go see the waterfalls. Now we're going to go look at the back of the waterfalls instead of the other view that you guys saw. So see, as you guys see, waterfalls trail, $5 entrance fee. So this is where you would pay it. Let's go down. It says use trails at your own risk. So we are on our way to go see the waterfalls. But it was a mistake. I thought it was $5 per all of us. It's actually $5 per person to get in here, which is still not bad, but it's still a little costly, especially if you have a big group with you. There's a miniature waterfall. And then those rocks up there, you guys can see waterfall trickling down. It's beautiful. Now we get to do a whole bunch of stairs.
I know that.
Not like we haven't done enough stairs already. Okay, so now we are on the other side of the waterfall. As you guys saw before, we were on that side of the rock looking towards the waterfall. Now we are actually going to go behind the waterfall and actually get some awesome pictures. Wow, it looks so deep. Look at that, guys. There's the waterfall. We're right on top of it. That looks deep. There is where we were standing, right there. That's where we were standing. There's some more of the river. Then the river goes all the way back this way. And then we're going to go down these stairs and around to go right behind the waterfall. Okay, so we're going to have to be careful through this area because it is slick. It's going to be slippery. But you can actually go down this way and go swimming. And then this way, it's going to go behind the waterfalls. Let's go check out the waterfall, guys. Ooh, let's go check it out. Oh, we're going to go behind it. There it is. There's the waterfall right behind us. Ooh, look at that. So we are behind the waterfall now. Oh, the water is cold. And there is actually a tiny little cave back there that you can actually crawl into, and there's supposed to be an opening in there, but the space is really small. Oh, the water is cold. Oh my God. Okay, so now we're going to go check out the lower half of the waterfall. Go take a few pictures, and then we will be done with this trail today. Oh wow, guys, such an amazing view. Okay, so that ends this video today. So I'm going to end it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that we did today on the Franklin Ghost Town and the Waterfall Trail. So thank you for tuning into my video, and we will see you guys on the next one.